Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the update immediately. You check system info to record your current version, then sign into Xbox Live. A valid profile speeds downloads and activation. Once done, backup game saves to the cloud or a USB drive so updates don't risk data. Make sure your console uses a wired Ethernet connection or a strong, stable Wi-Fi. The update can fail on unstable networks, so prioritize reliability before continuing. You now execute the actual download and installation steps. First, validate your network with test network connection so you avoid mid-update disconnects. Then navigate to System Console settings and choose Update Now if shown. If the console prompts automatically, accept and let it download. If you must use a USB, copy the official update file to a FAT32 formatted drive at the root folder and insert it. The console will detect it during restart and begin installation. Watch progress. You finish by letting the console complete finalization and reboot cycles. Don't interrupt this. Updates finalize across reboots. Once the home screen returns, verify the new version in System Info, then restore your profiles and saved games from cloud or USB. If something goes wrong, start with simple fixes. Clear the system cache, power cycle the console completely, and retry the update. If the console won't proceed, try a freshly formatted USB with the update file and confirm cables and power are secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.